Mambo adzoka seCalaz muimbi wezim danso uyo anozivikanwa zvakare nekuti boss yala banditi aburitsa rwiyo rune simba runonzi Mambo ndimambo urwo rwakonzeresa kuti vanhu vataurise nekuita bongozozo mumastreets epasocial media. Maswera sei vanhu vaMwari, ndinokugashirai zvakare panonzi pano channel yezvese zviri kuitika muZimbabwean entertainment nezvimwewo. Kana iri first time yenyu kuvawo pano, ndapota please bayai apo pakanzi subscribe mobva malaika nekushare video rino. Izvi zvinobatsira kuti risvike kure. Kunemi mese magara muri vepano, welcome back. Yo, ichi chiri kupisa saka regai nditi gaga nditsanangure nekukurumidza. So murwiyo urwu seCalaz boldly declares that a king remains a king even in his sleep. Sounds like he's been lying low for a while but is now awake and coming for everyone, and I mean everyone. Winky D, Maggikal, Silent Killer, Ricky Fire, even Daddy Hope Chingono. Hakuna ari safe gore rino. So in one savage line, seCalaz says Freeman's Danger Zone clan can confirm that he is the Don Dada. Then he takes it up a notch by claiming even General Aladdin Master H agrees that Calaz is the only true general in Zim Danso. Vanwe, hondo yacho yakuita seko. seCalaz aita kudzoka akashatirwa ari pahasha achiti regai nditore chigaro ichi. Mambo ndimambo kunyangwe akarara, kunyangwe asati amuka is a clear statement. seCalaz is simply telling everyone that even during his silent phase, he was still the king, but now he is awake, hungry and ready to reclaim his throne. And of course, it didn't take long for the responses to start rolling in. Hopho Chingono threw shade on Twitter. Meanwhile, Maggikal didn't just stop at posts, he already cooked a reply. And let's not forget, Maggikal has been calling seCalaz Seli for a while now, as if to say Ndimainini, that this alone has fans going wild. Auntie Maggikal ndomutemba, he never disappoints. And just like that, Maggikal hit back with Miss Banana, which dropped today. If you haven't heard it yet, you are missing out. The production, the buzz, Maggikal is coming for that crown, guys. And between you and me, it's looking like seCalaz might need to reconsider or rethink his strategy. Hondo yacho yala tight. Let's be honest though, this back and forth, it's pure artistry. seCalaz brought the heat, but Maggikal is matching him move for move. This is what Zim Dancehall is all about. Competition that pushes these artists to their creative limits. We are here for it. So, Murie Zimbabwe, what do you think? Is seCalaz reclaiming his throne or is Maggikal about to knock him off it? Ngati sangane mu comment section.